Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. My name is Paul Gogoi and in this video I am going to talk about how to measure blood pressure. Actually, what is blood pressure? The force exerted by the blood on the wall of a blood vessel is called the blood pressure. When the blood is flowing, pressure it applies to the blood vessel. So in this case, how to measure this? The way to measure that, because we all know blood pressure arises due to two events. First one is contraction of ventricle and another one is relaxation of ventricle. Majorly, when the ventricle is contracted, it pumps lots of blood through the arteries to the different regions of the body. It creates the systolic pressure. Then it becomes relaxed. When it becomes relaxed, blood pressure falls down. That is called diastolic blood pressure. So systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Blood pressure is measured by an instrument called sphygmomanometer. The pressure is always greater in the arteries than in the vein. As you all know, arteries carries the oxygenated blood and vein carries the deoxygenated blood. The pressure in the artery during the ventricular contraction is called the systolic blood pressure, and the pressure in the artery during the ventricular relaxation is called the diastolic blood pressure. The normal systolic pressure is 120 mm of mercury and the diastolic pressure is 80 mm of mercury. High blood pressure is also called hypertension and the low blood pressure is known as hypotension. Blood pressure categories. Normal blood pressure. Systolic is below 120 mm of mercury and diastolic is below 80 mm of mercury. Blood pressure, a number of less than 120 to 80 mm of mercury are considered within the normal range. If your results fall into this category, stick with heart healthy habits. Elevated blood pressure 120 to 129 and diastolic is below 80. Elevated blood pressure is when reading consistently ranges from 120 to 129 systolic and less than 80 mm of mercury diastolic. People with elevated blood pressure are likely to develop high blood pressure unless steps are taken to control the condition. Then hypertension stage 1. Hypertension stage 1 is when blood pressure is consistently ranges from 130 to 139 systolic or 80 to 89 mm of diastolic. At this stage, doctors are likely to prescribe lifestyle changes and may consider adding blood pressure medication based on your risk of atherosclerosis and other cardiovascular diseases. Then hypertension stage 2. 140 higher or diastolic is 90 mm of mercury, below 90 mm of mercury. Hypertension stage 2 is when blood pressure consistently ranges from 140 and diastolic is 90 mm of mercury. At this stage of high blood pressure, doctors are likely to prescribe a combination of blood pressure medication and lifestyle changes. Then hypertensive crisis. This stage of high blood pressure requires medical attention. If your blood pressure reading suddenly exceeds 180 systolic and diastolic is 120 mm of mercury, wait 5 minutes and call doctors. Systolic blood pressure. Actually, systolic blood pressure indicates how much pressure your blood is exerting against your artery wall when the heart beats. And diastolic pressure, it indicates how much pressure your blood is exerting against your arterial wall while the heart is resting between beats. The abbreviation of millimeter of mercury means millimeters of mercury. Mercury was used in the first accurate pressure gauge and is still used in the medicine. Next one, preventive measures. First one is reducing sodium intake, then reducing exercising, then maintaining healthy weight, then managing stress. Next, potential cause of hypotension. Hypotension means low blood pressure. First one is heart problems, then dehydration, it may be blood loss, then severe infection. Okay, thank you.